Welcome to Adobe Express, the easy-to-use all-in-one content creation app that lets you create standout on-brand content. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist and a content creator, and I'm so excited to show you how easy it is to create compelling images, videos, flyers, PDFs, presentations, and social media assets at scale in Adobe Express. With Adobe's generative AI technology called Adobe Firefly, designed for commercially safe content, you can revolutionize your creativity with limitless imagery at the speed of your imagination. I feel strongly, because I've experienced it firsthand, how this technology is enabling us to be even more creative, productive, and relevant. Accelerating content production has never been easier. Creators can confidently offload asset iterations with brand guardrails. Thanks to templates, marketing teams and non-creative professionals can accelerate their content and launch assets in market faster. And because Adobe Express also works with connected Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop and Illustrator, teams can sync files for real-time creative collaboration, or jumpstart content creation by converting other Creative Cloud files into Express projects. I think it's time for you to see this amazing platform up close for yourself.